Yeah, so I finally came up out of the hustle and bustle up here in St. Lucia. You know, I feel like a tourist, but I'm trying not to look like one so much. This is like my own version of Globetrotter, you know, cruising through the Caribbean. Look at this dude with the lean, that hella lean, that gangster lean. I'm about to go try to hit up this park in a second. Maybe I'll get back in a little while. Let's chop it out. She's steady adjusting. Don't want to look like no perv trying to film everything. Now I'm on a mission to get my hair cut. That's the next mission. Hit the barber shop. They said there's one over here somewhere on the left-hand side. Okay, I found it. Damn, let's see if they open. See if they got some American change first of all, because I don't want no bullshit change. Well, I got faded up real good. It took about an hour, but he hooked me all the way up. $10. Face shave, neck, mustache, hair. So I knew I had to throw him a tip. Support those black businesses, even if it's in the Caribbean. But yeah, this is a place called M&M's. My man hooked me up with a free water. You know what I'm saying? Because I didn't have no change. And a cop gave me 20 singles for a $20 bill, so it was all love. So I definitely had to hook him up with a tip. So yeah, I'm out here in St. Lucia. About to give me something to eat, then go ahead and get on back to this shit.